Let's solve this problem. We are going to simplify this compound fraction 1 plus x over 5 all over 2 minus 2 over x. Let's get started with the solution. Let's focus on the numerator, and we can let 1 equal to 5 over 5. And we can just simply copy down x over 5. And since we have like denominators, we are going to add the numerators. So we are going to get 5 plus x all over 5. Now let's focus on the denominator. 2 minus 2 over x. This 2 here can be multiplied by x. So we have 2 times x all over x. And we can just simply copy down 2 over x. Since we have like denominators, we are going to subtract the numerators. So we get 2x minus 2 all over x. Now that we have simplified both the numerator and denominator, we are going to use the division form. So it's going to be 5 plus x over 5 divided by the denominator 2x minus 2 all over x. And then we can copy down the dividend, which is going to be 5 plus x all over 5. We can change the division sign to times, and then we're going to reciprocate 2x minus 2 all over x. That's going to be 2x over 2x minus 2. And we are going to multiply the numerator, which is going to be x times 5 plus x. And then we can multiply the denominator. So we end up with 5 times 2x minus 2. As you can see, 2x minus 2 is factorable. So that is going to be 2 times x minus 1, because 2 is in common with these two terms. So we are going to copy down the numerator, which is still going to be x times 5 plus x. But our new denominator is going to be 5 times 2, which is 10, then times x minus 1. And that is going to be our final answer. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video, follow our Facebook page, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more math content. Goodbye.